Welcome to Kenton Teaches. Enjoy the video.
In this video, I will show you how to draw a VW Beetle. We'll begin by establishing the car's fundamental form. First, sketch a large oval to represent the main body. Then, add a slightly flatter oval on top for the roof. Connect these two basic shapes with gentle, flowing lines to create the car's iconic silhouette. This initial step is crucial for getting the proportions right. Next, let's focus on the wheels and fenders, which give the Beetle its distinctive look. Draw two perfect circles for the front and rear wheels, making sure they are evenly spaced. Above each wheel, sketch a prominent, curved line to form the fenders. These should seamlessly integrate with the main body shape you've already established, adding volume and character to your drawing. Hey everyone, quick break. If you're finding this drawing guide helpful, please hit that subscribe button and give us a like. On another note, if you're looking to truly change how you think about money, I highly recommend The Simple Path to Wealth. It's a fantastic book that offers clear, actionable financial wisdom. You can find the link to the book and other great deals in the description below. Now, let's get back to the video. Now it's time to add some key details like the windows and doors. Carefully outline the windshield and side windows, paying attention to their classic rounded shapes. Then, draw the door lines, ensuring they follow the natural curve of the Beetle's body. Don't forget to include the small, distinctive rear window and the lines for the engine cover at the back. These elements bring your drawing to life. Let's refine our Beetle with the smaller, yet important features. Sketch the iconic circular headlights at the front and the smaller taillights at the rear. Next, add the front and rear bumpers, which are often chrome and quite prominent on a classic Beetle. Finally, include subtle details like door handles, side mirrors, and any trim lines to give your drawing a polished and authentic finish.
Thanks for watching. Please subscribe if this video was helpful.